Ronnie back again with another video. Hey, what's up, what's good? If you're new to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button down below for more videos or whatever. So today I'm gonna be doing my get ready with me, but it's not a get ready with me because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just showing you guys what I do when I'm getting ready to take my pictures for Instagram or Twitter or Snapchat or whatever. I always start off with some type of lip balm or something. My go-to is lip gloss, but I've been using this Ormanixx. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started. This hair I dyed myself. I actually did it yesterday. I dyed it and I installed it myself. It doesn't look bad on camera, but I guess I just have to get used to it. It's really close to my skin color. I think that's probably why I'm not really a fan. So you're gonna need a curling iron and whatever you use. We'll get into the hair stuff later, but I just wanted to make a quick announcement. P.S. I am kind of sick. I think I'm getting a cold, so please excuse me for my voice. But this right here, this mousse is like bomb. Okay, this is brands and everything. This right here, this will change your life. Okay, like, but we'll get into that. We'll get into that. Okay, so I always start off with my brows first and everything. I look really good right now, but I always start off with my brows and then I go into foundation and stuff with some glue. This is for my lashes. This is the worst glue ever, but because I'm not wearing this for a while, like a long time, I don't mind using it. It's something I can just take off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. But trust me, I hate this glue. I don't like this glue at all. It's too watery, but if you guys are starting out, then I suggest you guys get it. But because I've been doing lashes for like a minute now, this glue is trash. With my Fenty Beauty makeup in the shade 420. This stuff works like this stuff is amazing. Please sponsor me. Okay, Rihanna, sponsor me. Like, all I use is your products on my face. Like, what more do you want from me? No, you can want a lot from me. I don't really care. No, you're Rihanna. No. If I work for Rihanna, my life is set. Okay, my life is set if I ever got the opportunity to work with Rihanna. Okay, let's just get that clear. Okay, if you work for Rihanna, you're popping. Hey, you're popping, even if I don't even know you. Okay, so you guys can see, it looks like I'm not even wearing makeup. Of course my face looks smoother or whatever, but that's kind of bound to happen. So I just try to open that up a little bit. Because the sun is coming, guys. The sun is coming. Okay? The sun is coming. So you guys see that natural sun? Ooh, baby. Baby. I kind of want to move you guys to a different angle. So I just moved you guys a little bit, just so like I can get the light and you guys can start see doing even better. This is the Fenty Beauty, of course. Every product I'm using for my face is Fenty Beauty. This is the concealer. Just like it's something new for you guys that you're watching me do that. I try not to smile now because my smile lines are so deep in my skin that it's crazy. so I try not to smile as much. But you know, it's not the best. Of course, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty. Okay, so now I'm moving on to hair. My brows is done. I just filled them in. I didn't actually do them. I filled them up. And then I just went with some highlighter on top and underneath my brow. I also concealed it with my concealer that I used in this video. My hair is laying. I'm laying my edges. Okay, my edges is being snatched up right now. And it's because my lace keeps lifting up. Okay, I'm being truly honest with you guys. And I want to give you guys a little side notes on dyeing your own hair, because I watched a bunch of videos and none of them said what I'm about to say. When you're dyeing your hair and they tell you leave it in there for a certain amount of time, and I did that, and the fact that my house almost caught on fire because the bleach in the hair and aluminum foil being closed up was not a good mix. So I probably would recommend not closing your aluminum foil. Yes, it does speed up the process, but at the same time you're damaging your hair. Like, your weave or your natural hair is, that thing is sizzling. Okay, the hair was so hot that I couldn't even pick it up to rinse it out. Like, it was burning hot. So that's mistake number one that nobody ever wants to tell you in any YouTube video. So I'm telling you guys that now. Another thing is the smell is really, really bad. Like, I use the Quick Blue and then the 40 volume developer, and you know, that's what you see on YouTube. That's the normal stuff, and I did that. And the fact that the smell was so strong that my eyes, I couldn't even get close. My eyes was like burning, and no one wants to tell you that until you experience it yourself. So that's just what I'm telling you guys from my experience that most YouTubers don't tell you. Yeah. So, bro, I'm done with this. I wasn't on there for that long, but come on now. You don't need it on there for that long anyway. Alright. Well, it looks like bacon. I'm gonna do the other side off camera, and then I'll be back. This is the hair curled up. I didn't even brush the swoop out yet. I'm kind of scared because I think I should just leave it like this and not touch it. I did spray some free spray on it to keep the curl intact right here, because this was definitely not enough shine. makeup is done. My hair is done. Alright, so I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos, of course. I'm gonna try to be more active on here. But you know, like I was saying, I'm very busy making sure that my life is set for the long run. My birthday is coming up, so I'll be doing more vlogs and stuff coming. I have a lot of things coming up with my friends, so the vlogs coming. Bye babies.